need of a new church loan or want to refinance an existing church loan? Then you are in the right place. Hi, I am Sophia with Prestige Business Financial Services. We work with churches nationwide and have some of the lowest interest rates and best terms in the country. If you are looking to refinance, renovate, construct or purchase, we have the right program for you. We offer a no-cost and no-obligation review of your borrowing capacity that takes only 24 to 48 hours. With over 20 different church loan programs available, we can be creative too. 20 to 25 year fixed loans with no balloons. Interest-only payments. 5, 7, 10-year fixed loans with 15, 20 and 25-year amortizations. Also, loans based on equity and not credit for those churches that are in trouble with the current lender. If your church has poor credit, we have our own private fund that can provide up to 100% and interest-only payments. We don't charge any upfront fees and no personal guarantee. There are many benefits to working with us. A few are no tax returns, no audited financials, no personal guarantees, quick closing, 100% financing available, no credit checks, could be rates as low as 3.55% and up to 25-year terms. Over 1,200 church loans close. Over 1.35 billion in closed church loans. No upfront fees, no hassle processes. To get started, we have a simple process. You would need the following below: application, 6-month financials, past 3 years profit and loss statements, balance sheets. The more financially stable the church, the better the rates and loan terms. Prestige Business Financial Services not only provides church loans, but also offers over 30 personal and business funding options, which consist of 0% business lines of credit up to $250,000, personal loans up to $100,000, business term loans, 100% equipment financing, credit repair, trade lines, wealth creation, and much more. Get free consult and no obligation quote today. Visit www.loansforchurches.net or email us at anthony@prestigebfs.com. Phone number 800 622 0453.